Hello guys, welcome to Rise Up with Abhishek, and today we are going to deal with a coding project which uses Python. So what is that? Let me show you. So this is the project. This is a simple screen game used created by only turtle module or turtle library in Python. So what is the motive of this screen game is that give you guys an idea of basic turtle functions and deal with the properties of those particular functions. So let's get started. So for that I have to open my Visual Code Studio. I can just click on new file. So I have a new file. Now I can just control plus save this on the particular destination. You can save this in your particular destination which you want. I'm going to save it here and I'm naming this as turtle module .py. And you can select the Python in this. Python save. So you can see it's saved with the py extension, means Python extension. So first of all we will import the module Python turtle. We have imported the turtle module of Python. So this, for importing this is a simple task. You have to just write import and the name of the particular module which you want to choose for your project. Now first of all I want a screen for my game. So I will just create a variable screen, and screen is turtle dot screen. So here we have screen. We have created a variable screen and we have provided the value turtle dot screen. So screen is a function in the turtle library. So I have noted the turtle library and then dot and this screen function. Always keep remember that S should be capital, otherwise it will not run. So you see that we one screen was open but it closed. Let me show you again. Yeah, there was a screen. So now let's make our screen attractive. Screen dot bg color. You can select the background color of your screen. Light green. So if I will open it, so it will be a full light green color. Now screen dot title. Turtle basics. So this is the title of the screen which we will have on the output, and this is the background color of the screen. So now we have to create our player. So now we will just create one more variable name player, and then we will assign the function, denote the function turtle library, and the function name is turtles. So this function is for creating a new turtle on our turtle object, means a particular object on our screen. So now we will assign some more properties for our player. So player dot, you can choose the color for your player. I will prefer purple because the background is light green, so purple will look more beautiful. Player dot pen up. Pen up means it will not draw anything behind it. You can use So you can assign as many values to your variable, so it will, your player will look more beautiful. You can also assign any image to your player, you can assign anything. So this pan up is for that our object will not draw anything behind it. So now we will create a variable speed, and which will be 1. The value of speed will be 1. Now every game has a main loop. While true, this is the main loop, while level this program will run. So player dot forward speed. So this is the player dot forward, means it will forever move forward with speed. So if I run it, now you can see it is moving forward. And turtle basics, we have our module, we have our object, we have light green color. So this is all. So now we want functions that it could move left and right. So for defining a functions in Python, we will write define and the name of that function. So the function is turn left. So this function we will code for the turtle move left. So you can see here we have created a function. So now for turning it left, we want our player to turn left. So 30. So our player will turn left. The dot left is a function in turtle module which turn that object left with some amount of degrees. The degree is 30 degrees. So now if I run it and press left key, so you can see it will move. So we'll create the same functions twice. Now here it will turn right, and here it is, function name is right here. So now we want keyboard bindings means the keyboard, according to keyboard we should move our player. So now we will just call a function turtle dot listen. So now our turtle will listen us whatever we are going to tell him behind this function. So turtle dot listen, turtle player dot on key, player dot on key. So player dot on key, now we have to mention the key left, always L will capital, then comma dot. Then if the left key is pressed, that what should be happen, what should our turtle do, the player do? So it should just do whatever we have mentioned in our function turn left. Okay, attribute no on key. Okay, so here we don't want to mention player, here we want to mention our turtle. So turtle so okay. So first we have to mention that what should it do. It should turn left, comma, then left. Now it will run, as I think. Yeah, you can see it's moving left. And now we will just copy this and paste in other line. So turtle dot on key, turn right, comma right. So now it will turn right. So you can see here we are able to move our player. So I hope you know till now. Now we are dealing with the pen up function. So now we want whenever the up key will be pressed, it should draw behind it, and whenever the down key will be pressed, it should stop drawing. So now we'll copy these two functions and paste, because we will create different functions. So draw, function draw, here function stop draw. Very easy functions are these. Now here in draw we want player dot pen down, means the pen behind it will down, so it will draw behind it, and pen up. So it will up the pen and not draw that. So now we will bind it with the keys. Now here we want pen draw. I want draw when the up key will pressed. Here we will stop draw the when down key will pressed. So we have completed this. As you can see, this drawing, I have pressed the up key, and now I have pressed down, it is stop drawing. So I hope this was clear to you all, and I think that now you will be able to define the functions and whatever the properties of it, you are able to deal with it. So we are ending this video here. Subscribe, like if you like the video, don't so dislike. Bye bye, see you soon in next tutorial.